So let us take a look at how to use the condition node. A condition node is used within the flow whenever you want to redirect the flow based on a certain condition within the nodes. So to start off with, let us request two questions from the user. First one would be a number and the second one would be a number as well. So let's say enter a number. Let's duplicate that and ask for another number. Enter the second number. And let's change the answer variable. And now let us bring in the condition node. Okay. Now let us test out the equal operator. There are a bunch of operators that you can choose from. So let's first write out the responses for each of those conditions. If it's true, let's say yes, it's true. If it's false, let's just say false. Now let's connect them. Okay. To start off with, let us test the left number. That's number 1. The operator we'll use is equal to. Okay, let's quickly test that out. Let me enter the first number as 1 and the second number as let's go with 2. So it's not equal, so it should take the false direction, which it did. Now let's test out the true condition. Let's say the first number would be 1 again and the second number 1. There you go, it took the true path. So that is how you use this thing. You can also evaluate it as a string. Now let's test out another condition, maybe greater than. Yes. So if number 1 is greater than number 2. Let me enter the first number as 5. Okay, 2, 5. And 2, there you go, I took the true path because 5 is greater than 2. Let's test out the other condition as well. Let's enter the first number as 5, second number as 8. And it should be false because 5 is not greater than 8. So this is how you use the condition node within your flow.